up guys, Major here. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Sony Vegas Pro 15 with the patch on your PC. So with that being said, I don't like extracting files, so I just have to right click and to do the work. Okay, so it will be starting up in a second, so let's give it some time. Okay, run anyway. Yes, so it's gonna start. It should start very soon. Sorry guys, I'm wasting your time waiting for the software to start. So it should start in any second from now. So let's do it. It's coming up. Okay, select English, select your language. Click next. I agree to the terms. Next, and install. You have to wait for this to install. Okay, it's kind of still installing. Okay, I don't think Streamlabs can pause recording, so I'm going to apologize for actually making you to wait. So it's almost done. Okay, click finish. Then you have to come here and you have to extract this to Vegas folder. You have to look for it. This is it. Then you have to select this. Okay. Then click OK. It's going to extract this folder. So let's look for it. And once it extracts it the folder, you have to open this. Okay, sorry, it's not. Sorry guys. You have to click here, open it. Then look for patch. You have to look for patch. Okay. Patch. This is it. Okay. You can't actually, so you have to extract this to see the password. The password is 123. 123. Click OK. It's done. So let's go back to here. Let's look for patch. When you right click, then you have to copy, then come here, paste, continue, and when you're done you have to right click. I think run this as an admin. Okay, and click here. Boom, your program is starting, and let's wait for it. You can see, yeah, it's open, and you can start editing your videos and all that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Major out.